Question 21. When confronted by a seemingly simple pointing task, where their desires are put in conflict with outcomes, chimpanzees find it impossible to exhibit subtle, self-serving cognitive strategies in the immediate presence of a desired reward. However, such tasks are mastered when an alternative symbol system is employed. In one study, chimps were confronted by a simple choice. 2 plates holding tasty food items were presented, each with a different number of treats. If the chimp pointed to the plate having more treats, it would immediately be given to a fellow chimp in an adjacent cage, and the frustrated subject would receive the smaller amount. After hundreds and hundreds of trials, these chimps could not learn to withhold pointing to the larger reward. However, these same chimps had already been taught the symbolic concept of simple numbers. When those numbers were placed on the plates as a substitute for the actual rewards, the chimps promptly learned to point to the smaller numbers first, thereby obtaining the larger rewards for themselves.